So in the given problem, has given one periodic signal and also has given the derivative of the signal. So it was represented with a1 into some g of t and a2 into some g of other function t. So what is asking here? He is asking the value of a1 plus a2. That means he is asking the magnitudes only. He is not asking you any time related things, right? So first I will plot x of t. So when you plot x of t, so how it looks like? So in between t is 0 to 1, its value is 1. Between 0 to 1, its value is 1. And between 1 to 2, its value is minus 2. This is a periodic signal. So if I draw for one more cycle, it looks like this, right? Similarly, it will be in the negative direction as well. So this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is a 0 point. So this is a signal x of t. So first I will find out the differentiation of this signal. So when I differentiate the signal, that is nothing but the slope. So you see here at 0, the slope is nothing but, of course it is an impulse signal, but what of its magnitude is nothing but the slope value. So what is the magnitude here? This is minus 2 and the top one is 1. So the difference is 1 minus of minus 2. So its value is 3. And in between 0 to 1, there is a constant value. So you will get slope 0. So it will be 0. Nothing is there. When at n equal to 1, at t equal to 1, so the slope is minus 2 minus of 1. So its value is minus 3. This is 1. Similarly, you will get here plus 3, minus 3, plus 3, minus, and so on. So similarly here also get minus 3 plus 3. Okay. So now if you see here, the derivative of the function dx of dt by dt is a sum of the impulse signal whose magnitude is 3. So how I can write this? This is a dx of t by dt is a, I'll write from 0. So this is nothing but 3 into delta of t plus 3 into delta of t minus 1, this point, and 3 into delta of t minus 2, and so on. So similarly in the negative direction. In negative direction, this will become 3 into delta of t plus 1, and so on. So, right? So finally, this is a combination of 2. So I can represent this with some a1 into g of t minus t1 plus a2 into g of t plus t1. Because in the problem he has given, sorry, this is some t2. So in the problem he has given g of t is an impulse train. You see here g of t equal to sum of delta of t minus 2k, right? So when you compare, the magnitude always remains 3. So a1 equal to 3 and a2 is also 3. But what is asking? He is asking the value of a1 plus a2. So a1 plus a2, how much will be the answer? a1 is 3 and a2, oh, sorry, something I wrote wrong here. So here if you see here, this is 3 into delta of t, but here this is a minus will come here, because at t minus 1 its value is minus 3, no? This is minus 3, so this is minus 3, similarly minus 3. So what will happening, a1 into g of t minus t1 plus a2 g of t minus t1. So one magnitude is plus 3 will come, other magnitude will be minus 3. It is a combination of plus 3 and minus 3 signals. So a1 is 3 and a2 is minus 3. So what is asking? The value of a1 plus a2. So this is nothing but 3 minus 3. So its value is 0.